Om Namah Shivaya. Let us begin the yoga sadhana. Sit in any comfortable position, either in Vajrasana or Sukhasana or Siddhasana, whichever is most convenient and comfortable. As we know, Stiram Sukham Asanam. In order to do the yoga sadhana, we have to perform any one asana which is most convenient and suitable to our body, Annamaya Kosha. Take your own position to begin the sadhana. Once if you feel comfortable position, adopt Chin Mudra on your thighs. Try to keep your spine upright. Adopt Chin Mudra or Gnana Mudra, joining the tip of the thumb and the forefinger. Try to feel the tip of the fingers. Feel the nerve impulse. At the same time, try to feel the relaxed body with the slowness in the breathing. We'll begin the session with the chanting of 3 Omkaras. Take a deep breath. Oh. 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 Prayer. We begin the sadhana with the Vedic mantra. Take a deep breath. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manansi janatam devabhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate. Very slowly and gently take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently. Offer the salutations to Almighty. To begin this sadhana, let us seek the blessing of Almighty. Very slowly inhale, come up. Release the arms. Slowly and gently come to Tadasana. Apart the legs of feet distance. We'll begin the yoga sadhana with the loosening the joints. Sukshma Vyayamas. Keep your both the palms on the waist. Slowly and gently, we'll begin the practice with the neck movement. Bend your neck forward, pressing the chin. Very slowly inhale, raise your head up. Bend your neck back. Close the eyes. Watch the breathing. Exhale slowly and gently. Bend your neck forward. Press the chin. Inhale slowly and gently. Raise your head up. Bend your neck back. Slowly and gently. Feel the compressed cervical bone, cervical muscles. Exhale slowly and gently. Bend your neck forward. Press the chin over the collarbone. Very slowly inhale. Raise your head up. Practice very slowly. Sukshma Vyayama, also known as Sadilaja Vyayama. Very slowly and gently exhale. Bend your neck forward. Press your chin. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend your neck right. So that the right ear touching the right shoulder. Feel the stretch the left neck muscles. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly and gently bend the neck left. So that the left ear touching the left shoulder. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly bend the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Very slowly and gently inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Enjoying the pain around the neck muscles. Inhale, slowly come to center. Turn the neck, twist your neck right so that the chin is aligned with the right shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Turn the neck very slowly towards the left so that the chin is aligned with the left shoulder. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, turn the neck right. Very slowly and gently inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly and gently, turn the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center, turn the neck right. Very slowly come to center. Inhale, turn the neck, twist your neck as much as possible. Enjoy the pain around the neck muscles. Feel the relaxed muscles. Slowly come to center. Bend your neck forward, rotating the neck very slowly, clockwise. Inhale, raise your head. Exhale, bend your neck forward. Inhale, slowly bend your neck back. Exhale, slowly bend your head forward, rotating the neck muscles, rotating the neck, feeling the movement in the circular motion. Very slowly with inhalation, rotate your neck and loosen the neck muscles. Feel the lightness in the neck muscles as you go on practicing this neck rotation, 5 rounds clockwise. Now in the reverse direction. Very slowly, rotate very slowly and gently with the observation, closing the eyes. Enjoy the pain around the neck muscles. Practice very slowly. Sukshma Vyayama are the subtle practices, not like an exercise. Micro exercise. Very slowly and gently come to center. Stop the practice. Now keep your both the fingers on the shoulders. Join the heels. Join the elbows. Shoulder rotation. Now inhale slowly and gently, raise your shoulders up. Exhale slowly, drop your arms. Rotate the shoulders very slowly and gently. Feel the rotation. Very slowly and gently forward movement in the circular motion. Feeling the lightness in the shoulders. Enjoying the pain around the shoulders, shoulder muscles. Do it 5 times. Forward. Reverse. Very slowly and gently, loosening the shoulders to relax the laziness, lethargy around the shoulders to improve the blood circulation around the shoulder joints. Very slowly and gently after the 5 rounds, stop the practice. Relaxing the shoulders, enjoying the pain around the neck muscles, shoulders, apart the legs of feet distance, feeling the lightness in each and every time. When you observe the breathing, you will feel the relaxation. Raise your arms up, trunk twisting, palms facing each other. Very slowly and gently take a deep breath. Exhale slowly, twist your trunk right so that the left palm over the right shoulder. Twist your trunk, turn the neck as much as possible, gauging the tip of the fingers. Inhale slowly and gently come to center. Twist your trunk left, right palm over the left shoulder. Twist your trunk and neck. Very slowly inhale. Slowly and gently come to center. Slowly and gently twist your trunk right, left palm over the right shoulder. Slowly inhale, come to center. Enjoy the pain. Very slowly and gently twist your trunk left, right palm over the left shoulder. Inhale slowly and gently come to center. Slowly twist your trunk right, left palm over the right shoulder. Inhale, very slowly and gently come to center. Exhale slowly and gently twist your trunk left, right palm over the left shoulder. Slowly inhale, come to center. Stop the practice. Drop the arms. Now we'll go for the next practice. Apart the legs 6 feet distance. Knee movement. Raise your arms. Palms facing downwards. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and gently bend your knees. Come to squatting position. Enjoy the pain. Now inhale slowly and gently come up. Exhale slowly and gently bend your knee. Very slowly and gently come to squatting position. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly bend your knee. Very slowly and gently inhale, come up. Release the arms. Now relax the calf muscles, shoulders, trunk muscles, thigh muscles. Observe the changes in these joints, muscles, closing the eyes. As we know, the Sukshma Vyayama, very simple practice, but brings lot of changes in the joints, improves the blood circulation if you keep on practicing regularly. So these subtle practices helps to improve the blood circulation around the joints, muscles, subtle joints. Now we'll pass on to the Yogasana practice. Yogasanas are known as simple postures, yogic postures. Now very slowly we'll practice Tadasana, apart the legs 6 feet distance. Very slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Now stretch the shoulder up as much as possible. Let the feet be on the floor. Stretch the shoulders. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From Tadasana, very slowly and gently drop the arms. Bend your trunk forward. Padahastasana. Very slowly from the root of the waist, bend forward as much as possible so that you can keep your both the palms, if possible, on the floor or hold the ankle. Tighten the knee joints. Push your head inside. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Exhale, very slowly and gently drop the arms. Apart the legs, relax. Once if you practice the yogasanas, once you stimulate the muscles, try to relax quickly by closing the eyes, by observing all the changes. If you watch the breathing, you'll feel the lightness in the body. So that throughout the practice, be with the body and try to relax. Stimulation and relaxation are the two techniques in this yoga technique, yogasana practice. We'll practice now, we'll go for the Ardha Chakrasana. Join the heels, half heel posture. Now stretch the shoulder, come to perfect Tadasana. Join the heels. Now very slowly and gently inhale, slide the palms across your thighs, trunk, waist. Take the support, palms facing each other. Very slowly push your abdomen forward. Inhale, deeply bend your trunk back. Bend as much as possible. Don't bend the knee. Now very slowly be there, relax in this position. Enjoy the pain around the trunk muscles, abdomen muscles, neck muscles, but relax. Don't hold the position. Release all the tension. Relax in this position. Ardha Chakrasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Don't open the eyes. Be there. Close the eyes. Ardha Chakrasana helps to strengthen the trunk and the hip muscles. Stretch the abdomen muscles, improves the digestion, release and relaxes the back stress, especially the lower back pain. Very slowly and gently release the palms, apart the legs and relax. Observe the breathing. We'll go for the Trikonasana, triangle posture. Before commencing any asanas, try to feel yourself lightness, slowness in the breathing. Check yourself whether there is no pain around the joints or the muscles. When you feel lightness, when you feel relaxed, then go for the next practice. So Trikonasana, stretch your right leg 3 to 3.5 feet distance. Check yourself. Both the legs in or in the entire body is in the triangle position. Very slowly taking the position, stretch the shoulders, raise your arms up very slowly and gently. Check yourself. Let both the hands be parallel to the ground. Tighten the knee joints, but relax. Once if you go to the final posture, be yourself and relax. Now very slowly take a deep breath and exhale deeply. Bend towards your right. Right palm down the left knee. Raise your left arm. Try to get the tip of the finger and relax. Stay in the position in the beginning 10 seconds, increase up to 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently inhale, come up, drop the arms, be there and relax. Relax the shoulders. Very slowly and gently, triangle posture, Trikonasana helps to strengthen the hip joints, improves the digestion, peristaltic movement of the abdomen, so that you will be able to improve your digestion. Very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Once again, take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and gently, bend your trunk left. Left palm down the left knee, turn the neck up, raise your right arm, palm facing forward. Don't bend forward or backward, bend laterally, stretch the muscles but relax. In the final position, be relaxed, gauge the tip of the fingers. Enjoy the asana, Stiram Sukham Asanam, stable and comfortable position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Drop the arms. Very slowly and gently join the legs. relax the whole body, closing the eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your trunk muscles, abdomen muscles. Try to feel all the changes, whatever it may be. 5% of changes brings you a lot of changes. Just your duty is to observe with the witnessing attitude. So from standing postures, we pass on to the sitting postures. Very slowly and gently exhale. Come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana, stand on the knees. Very slowly join the heels. Now take a deep breath and very slowly and gently exhale. Sit on the buttocks, relax in Vajrasana. Observe all the changes. This is the only posture we can practice before lunch and after lunch, after the dinner. So this thunderbolt posture helps to improve the digestion. Also, as the name itself called as thunderbolt posture, helps to strengthen physical and mental and emotional strength. Very slowly and gently stand on the knees. We'll pass on to the Ardha Ustrasana. Now both the palms by the side of the thighs. Very slowly and gently inhale. Raise your both the arms, slide the palms, turn the palms, take the firm support. Inhale slowly, bend your trunk back. Push the abdomen forward, bend your neck, stretch the shoulder. But don't hold the position. Try to look up, relax. Relax your shoulders, relax your thoracic muscles, relax your abdomen muscles. Relax and observe the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly exhale, come up. Don't open the eyes. Let the eyes kept closed. Ardha Ustrasana, like Bhujangasana, helps to open the chest, improve the functions of the heart and the respiratory system. Very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Relax in Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently observe the breathing. This Bhujangasana and always also Ardha Ustrasana helps to open up the chest area, improve the blood circulation in the respiratory system. Now Shashankasana, very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Relaxation posture. Touch the shoulder up, bend your trunk back. Try to feel the stretched muscles, back muscles. Feel the stretch and relax in this position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently bend your trunk forward. Rest your palm, rest your elbows, rest your forehead. Relax in Shashankasana. Observe the breathing. Shashankasana, air posture, like a rabbit posture or moon posture, helps to relax the whole body. This asana is as good as Shirshasana, helps to improve the blood circulation in the respiratory system, useful the people suffering from asthma, wheezing, bronchitis, etc. Very slowly and gently inhale, raise your arms up, very slowly and gently exhale, drop the arms. After relaxation, very slowly and gently, be there in Vajrasana for a few seconds till you feel the lightness in the body as the blood rushing towards down region from the head. Relax for a few seconds in Vajrasana. Don't be hurry. Hurry, worry, curry are the three elements, things which bring sufferings to the human body. Don't be hurry in the practice. Don't go for the curry. Don't worry. So let us go for the next practice, Vakrasana. Very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and the left leg. Stretch your both the legs. Come to relaxation posture. Shitila Dandasana, called as relaxation posture. Always, whenever you want relaxation, try to sit in this position, relax. Observe the breathing and watch the changes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently join the legs. Now very slowly fold your left knee, tighten the right knee. Very slowly and gently raise your left arm up. Keep your left palm on the floor back of the body. Tighten the right knee. Very slowly raise your right arm up. Exhale. Bring your right hand across the left thigh. Try to hold the left leg. Tighten the right knee. Suck the abdomen inside. Turn the neck left. Relax your abdomen muscles. Vakrasana 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently raise your right arm. Drop your left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relax in relaxation posture, Dandasana. Observe the breathing and relax. This asana, Vakrasana, is very much useful to the people suffering from diabetes and also digestive disorders. Helps to improve the blood circulation in the glands, digestive glands, especially the pancreas. Relaxing the body, relax even abdomen muscles. Try to come to Dandasana, sitting position. Very slowly and gently, we'll practice opposite side. Now tighten the left knee. Very slowly fold your right knee. Keep your right foot by the side of your left knee. Tighten the left knee. Inhale deeply, raise your right arm. So keep your right palm on the back. Slowly and gently raise your left arm up as much as possible. Stretching the shoulders. Exhale. Bring the left hand across your right thigh. Suck the abdomen inside. Slowly and gently turn the neck right. Now relax the position. Relax your abdomen muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently turn the neck. Raise your left arm. Drop your left arm very slowly and fold the right leg. Come to relaxation posture. Observe the changes. Observe the breathing. Relax the abdomen muscles. After the practice any asanas, any posture, try to feel the stimulated organ and try to relax the stimulated organ so that the function of the organ will improve naturally. Come to Dandasana, very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Fold your right knee, fold your left knee. Very slowly and gently touch your both the knees. Uttana Mandukasana. Very slowly and gently stretch the knees on a distance. Raise your arms with inhalation. Raise the arms up. Folding the elbows, try to keep your both the palms on the shoulder blade. Scapula, relax the shoulders. Try to raise your chin up. Uttana Mandukasana, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the abdomen muscles, relaxing the back muscles. When you watch the muscles, muscles will be relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently inhale. Raise your arms up. Bring your hands down. Slowly join the legs. Very slowly and gently come to relaxation posture. Unfold the right leg and the left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relaxing the body in the relaxation posture, Shitila Dandasana. We'll pass on to the prone lying postures. Gently come to Dandasana. Come to Vajrasana, folding the knees. Line your abdomen very slowly and gently. Stretch your both the hands. Ardhavasana, beginning posture. Sthiti for all the prone postures. Relax in the Ardhavasana. Very slowly and gently bring your hands back. Ardha Bhujangasana, resting the elbows on the palms. Try to look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly bring your both the palms by the side of the chest. Raise your head up. Very slowly and gently, chest up. Navel center above the ground. Let the thighs be relaxed on the floor. Join the heels. Bhujangasana. Relax in the Bhujangasana. Final posture. Ask posture. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly and gently rest your abdomen. Come to Makarasana. Relax. Rest your forehead. Observe the breathing. Relax your abdomen muscles. Relax your thoracic muscles, trunk muscles. Observe the changes, slowness in the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you are practicing individually, you can relax more duration. Even you can relax up to 30 seconds. Now, very slowly and gently join the legs. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. We'll go for the supine position, lying position. Stretch your legs, unfold the right leg and the left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relax the body once again. As I said, before commencing any posture, before going for the next posture, try to relax yourself. When you are practicing individually, try to relax more and more and then continue the practice. Come to Dandasana. Very slowly and gently with the help of elbows, lie on the back. Come to supine position. In this position, from supine position, we'll go for the Setu Bandhasana. Fold your left knee, fold your right knee. Both the feet on the floor, both the palms on the floor. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Take a deep breath. Very slowly and gently lift your buttocks up. Lift as much as possible so that the shoulders are resting on the floor, palms resting on the floor. Relax the body, relax your shoulders, relax your trunk muscles. Observe the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently drop your buttocks and relax. Be there. Let the knees fold, relax. Relax in folded knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently take back the arms. Pavana Muktasana. Slowly raise your both the legs up 90 degrees. Very slowly bring your hands down and fold your knees. Very slowly and gently hold the legs, raise your head, interlock the fingers, raise your head up as much as possible. Pavana Muktasana, be there and relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently go back. Take back the arms, raise your legs up, slowly drop the legs, bring your hands down, relax the abdomen muscles. Pavana Muktasana, wind releasing posture, helps to improve the digestion, removes the excess gas, and also useful the people suffering from gastritis. Those who are suffering from recent abdomen surgery should avoid the practice. Otherwise, rest of them can practice this asana. Relaxing in this position, observe the slowness in the breathing, relaxing the abdomen muscles. We'll go for the Uttana Padasana or Ardha Halasana. Very slowly and gently rest your palms. Now tighten the knees. Very slowly with inhalation, raise your both the legs 30 degrees. Begin the practice with 30 degrees. Raise your legs 60 degrees. Without bending the knees, raise your legs up to 90 degrees. Be there. Relax your thigh muscles. Relax your hip muscles. Enjoy the pain. Throughout the practice, try to enjoy the pleasurable pain. Enjoy with the relaxation. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly drop your legs 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Try to feel your strength. Slowly drop the legs and come to Shavasana. Through yogic postures, you can feel your strength, physical strength. By keep on practicing regularly, your physical strength improves. Annamaya Kosha will strengthen more and more. Apart the legs in Shavasana, palms facing upwards. Yogasanas, though they look very simple, brings harmony between the internal organs. So they start the functions very well. All the glands get stimulated and secreting the hormones regularly, regularize the function of the different organs so that the physical health will improve. While improving the physical health, the mental health also gets improved. You will feel the wellness. Wellness is being healthy and happy. Health is a state of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. So wellness is one step ahead, which brings you happiness. So yoga is the only science which brings you positive health and positive wellness. Relax the body, by observing the whole body from the toes to the top of the head. Try to allow the body to settle down. Watch for a few seconds. Observe all the changes from the toes. Relax the ankles. Close the eyes. Relax your calf muscles. Watch your knee joints. Relax the thigh muscles. Relax your trunk muscles. Relax your abdomen muscles. Relax your thoracic muscles. Relax your shoulders. Relax your head. Relax both the arms. No tension in any joints. Relax your elbows, palms and the fingers. Relaxation means withdrawing your mind from the joints, organs, specific parts. This is known as Pratyahara, fifth limb of Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga, 8-limb practice for realization, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Yoga is not just physical exercise, it is the mind-body coordination. Yoga is not religion, it is a way of life. When you adopt yogic way of life, you will get positive health and wellness. Health and wellness are the like two eyes, so which brings positive health, fulfill the goal of life. Now relax the abdomen muscles. Try to watch the movement of the abdomen muscles. Feel how beautifully the abdomen muscles bulges up and down. 10. Count the numbers mentally. 9. Watching the movement of the abdomen muscles. 8. Feel the relaxed body. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Feeling the lightness in the whole body. Observe the whole body, Annamaya Kosha. Our human body consists of 5 sheets. The outer layer is known as Annamaya Kosha. Second layer is known as Pranamaya Kosha. Third layer is the Manomaya Kosha. Fourth layer is the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Fifth is the Anandamaya Kosha. Ananda is the true nature of oneself, human beings. So to find out this true nature, we have to practice the yoga regularly. As Patanjali Maharshi says, once if you able to control or gain mastery over the mind, you will see your true nature. Yogas chitta rutti nirodha tada drushtuhu swarupe avasthanam. So when you are able to feel your true nature, the true nature is happiness, Sat Chit Ananda. Every human being's nature is Ananda. To find out this Ananda, we have to practice these yogic techniques, yoga every day. Becoming aware of the whole body, bring your awareness on the navel center. Take a deep breath and chant one Omkara. Take a deep breath. Feeling the vibrations of Omkara flowing throughout the body, relaxing more and more. If you keep on chanting this Omkara, the vibration stimulates each and every cell, will be relaxed more and more. Now very slowly and gently take back the right arm, give movements to toes and fingers, join the heels, slowly and gently fold your left knee, turn towards the right, very slowly and gently, without disturbing the mind, gently come to Sukhasana or Siddhasana, whichever is most convenient, suitable position. Close the eyes, keep your spine upright, relax the body by closing the eyes. Feel the slowness in the breathing. Watch for few seconds. Check yourself. If you are feeling still more pain, try to relax by watching. Try to feel the shoulders and try to relax the shoulders, thoracic muscles, abdomen muscles, both the legs, both the thighs, feeling the lightness in the body. Before commencing the pranayama, you have to relax the body and then commence the pranayama and meditation. So yoga is as a whole, pranayama and meditation are the part of these yoga techniques. Yoga is a science. In this science, asana, pranayama, and dhyana are the part or the limbs of this yogic science. So these are all the part. When you're able to practice yogasana perfectly, then the pranayama will become easy. When you're able to gain mastery over the prana, the meditation will become fruitful. So meditation, we cannot practice as such. It is an antaranga yoga. Others are the bahiranga yoga. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama are the bahiranga yogas. Dharana, dhyana, samadhi are known as samyama, antaranga yoga. So when you practice the bahiranga yoga, you can go for the antaranga yoga practice. Let us begin the pranayama with the abdomen breathing. Keep your right palm adopting the chin mudra and the left palm below the diaphragm, diaphragmatic breathing. Now, as you inhale, feel the movement of the abdomen muscle forward, and as you exhale, goes inside. With the countings, close the eyes, bring your awareness on the navel center. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale slowly, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Just become aware of your breathing, abdomen breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. Very much useful to improve the functions of the lower lobe of the lung, removes the excess toxins, carbon dioxide, stale air from the alveoli. From this diaphragmatic breathing, try to adopt this technique, diaphragm breathing or lower abdomen breathing 2 to 3 times every day. Kapalabhati, keep your right palm below the navel, below the diaphragm, above the navel center. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. Take a deep breath. 1 stroke per second. Go on, exhale. Stop the practice. Relax. Observe the changes. After the complete exhalation, try to feel all the changes with witnessing attitude. Let it be natural. Breathing be natural. Don't worry about the cessation of the breath. Let it be natural. Kapalabhati must not be performed by pregnant women or those who are suffering from hypertension, severe hypertension, can practice with the guidance, under the guidance of a yoga teacher. And also, this practice should not be done by people suffering from or recent abdomen surgery. Relaxing the body, feel the slowness in the breathing. Just watch the breathing. You can adopt this Kapalabhati in 2 sessions, 30 stroke one time and 30 stroke second round. So you can improve up to 60 to 120 at a stretch. So keep on practicing this Kapalabhati to stimulate the glands. This Kapalabhati practice removes the excess fat from the abdomen and also helps to prevent the diabetes, all the digestive disorders, improves the stimulation of the glands, thereby releases the hormone. Now we'll go for the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Fold your first two fingers in the right palm. Keep your spine upright. Close your right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through left nostril 6 counts. We'll begin the practice. Slowly inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left nostril. Open the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, balancing pranayama, helps to balance the nadis, helps to balance the prana and balance the mind. Once if you are able to balance the prana, naturally the mind gets balanced. So balancing mind helps to do other actions easily. Practice this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing 3 to 4 times every day in the empty stomach. We'll go for the Bhramari Pranayama, humming Pranayama, making a sound of female bee, closing the ears with the help of tip of the finger, forefinger, close the ears. Take a deep breath through both the nostrils while exhaling, make a sound of female bee. Enjoy the pain, enjoy the sound vibrations. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, open the mouth, make a sound. Mm. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 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 Mm. Stop the practice. Now just watch the changes, feel the vibrations of Brahmari in the head region, stimulating the brain cells. Brahmari Pranayama helps to control the anger, anxiety, cerebral tension. People suffering from insomnia or sleeplessness have to practice this technique before going to bed. Helps to reduce the hypertension, leads you state of samadhi from meditation. Enjoy the practice, enjoy the silence. Humming pranayama helps to release the nitric oxide, which acts as vasodilator. Very much useful to the people suffering from this COVID positive. Once if come out of this situation from the COVID, you have to practice regularly this primary pranayama, helps to prevent the clottage in the arteries and also in the lungs and the heart. Feel the lightness in the body, slowness in the breathing, calmness in the mind. Let us do the sankalpa in the mind. Sankalpa done in the relaxed mind brings you positive result. Now let us repeat this. I am the powerful, purified, blissful, peaceful, divine soul. I am the powerful, purified, blissful, peaceful, divine soul. I am the powerful, purified, blissful, peaceful, divine soul. Keep on do these affirmations 3 to 4 times every day in order to improve your emotional strength. Yoga helps to develop physical strength, mental strength, and emotional strength. Leads you towards the spiritual strength. Helps you to understand oneself. Self-realization or God realization is the ultimate goal of yoga. With this beautiful sankalpa, very slowly and gently stretch your right leg and the left leg. Relax the toes and the ankles. Relax your both the legs. Feeling the lightness in the both the legs. We'll close the wonderful session with Vajrasana. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. We'll chant Shanti Mantra for the well-being of individual and all self and the society. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukhabhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly and gently take back the arm. Hold the right wrist with the left. Inhale, stretch the shoulder, raise your head up. Very deeply exhale, bend your trunk, offer the salutations to Almighty and all the sages who taught us yoga for the mind and the body. Salute to all the Guru Varyas who taught us yoga for the physical body, mental body. Very slowly inhale, come up, release the arms, rub the palms, produce the heat energy, massage over the eyeballs, cheeks and chin. Very slowly and gently. Open the eyes, open the palms like a book. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule Sthitaye Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Hari Om Tatsat, Hari Om Tatsat, Hari Om Tatsat. Om Shivarpanamastu, Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you one and all. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Guruji. So, dear participants, we will meet sharp 9 in the plenary hall for the plenary session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Odeya, sir. Thank you. Good morning, Murli Krishna. Already joined very early.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sriyal, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So you are also practicing yoga daily. Nice.
Yeah, daily I am joining.
Nice.
Today my web browser gave some problem, so again I joined from this Zoom.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Thank you.
Namaskar, Guruji. Very nice yoga sessions. Great. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Okay, see you. Bye.
See you, sir.
Bye. See you. 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you.